Auto-generating thousands of videos on YouTube actually isn't that hard, but the thing that people seem to struggle with is monetizing that content. And that's why in today's video, I'll be showing you the 3 best ways you can monetize your automated or faceless YouTube channels to generate passive income for yourself. I've been helping brands run YouTube channels and made my own faceless YouTube channels throughout the past 5 years, so I have a lot of experience making successful channels with brands or even channels I've run on my own. However, the difficult part or the big hump that people seem to struggle with is actually getting those videos monetized. This is because automated content or faceless YouTube channels usually get demonetized by YouTube, but in today's video, I'll show you how you can avoid all of that and also show you guys other revenue streams than just AdSense. So the first way to make money with automated YouTube channels online is through AdSense. However, so many people struggle with AdSense because their channels always get demonetized depending on what type of content they're posting to YouTube. Now, I've only ever had one channel demonetized out of all of the automated and faceless content I've ever made on YouTube, and that's because I follow a few key steps. Now, the first thing I go through is look at the content I'm actually going to be uploading to YouTube. And before I even start uploading, I ask myself, is this going to get demonetized? And usually it's pretty straightforward. Essentially, any content where you're just re-uploading podcasts, doing any type of compilation that's not your own content, or anything with copyrighted music is instantly going to be demonetized and your channel will never make money through AdSense. So now you're probably asking yourself, well, what can make money with AdSense if all these types of automated channels are going to get demonetized? And I'll tell you, AI generated content is going to be your friend. No one can copyright strike AI generated music, AI generated scripts, AI generated motion graphics, which is why I recommend every client I work with that wants to start with automated YouTube channels or automated TikTok pages is to use AI as much as possible, because there's literally no copyright restrictions on anything AI. We are currently in the wild west of AI, the same way the internet was 10 years back, where people were getting away with so many crazy and ridiculous business strategies called black hat marketing, where the strategies to grow maybe weren't the most ethical. However, they were completely legal, as there's currently no laws against AI, as the technology is just so new. So I definitely recommend you guys watch one of my videos on how to auto-generate content on YouTube using entirely AI. I'll have that link down below, as it's just as easy as clipping someone's podcast and re-uploading it. And the best part is that it's going to be completely monetized by YouTube. Now, if you did want to go the route of just re-uploading someone's content on TikTok, IG Reels, or YouTube, there is the small chance that you could get permission from the YouTuber or content creator if you just email them via their business email. But don't get your hopes up. I'd argue majority of creators wouldn't be too fond of having their content re-uploaded. But that doesn't mean you still shouldn't try, as I know creators like Logan Paul in the past have said that they enjoy having their podcast clips re-uploaded on platforms like TikTok and IG Reels, as it boosts their discoverability and they end up seeing more traffic to their podcast, which they generate more revenue on. But don't think AdSense is the only way you can make money through automated content. So everyone thinks about AdSense as the easiest way to make money on YouTube, but what people seem to forget is how much you guys can leverage your views that you get on YouTube for business outside of AdSense. It's the biggest issue I see with creators, and even outside on YouTube, like platforms like TikTok or Instagram, I find creators are absolutely abysmal at utilizing their platform to make a business. When I see creators on TikTok with millions of followers struggling to make a full-time job out of it, I just hit myself with a facepalm, because they don't understand the buying power they have with their platform. All they see is that a platform like TikTok pays very little in AdSense, and they just assume that creators on TikTok don't make a lot of money, when in reality, the creators that are making the most money on TikTok isn't from the TikTok Creator Fund. It's from utilizing their platform to sell products outside of TikTok. And now, I know you may be thinking, well, doesn't this require me a whole bunch of extra work? I have to go set up a website, I have to find a product I want to sell, and I have to actually make that product? Well, no, not necessarily. Sure, if you wanted to go that route, it's a lot of extra work, but you're going to yield a higher profit. However, if you just don't have the time to make an entire new product, what you can do is sell other people's products, and this is called affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, every single time someone clicks a link to a product, the content creator gets a percentage of that revenue of the product purchased. So let's say I promote a link to a dog store and someone buys a dog treat that's $5 from the dog store, and my commission on the affiliate link is 50%. I'm going to get $2.50 off that affiliate link purchase, and that's going to continue for every single purchase that happens with my affiliate link. Now, I'm sure most of you guys have heard of affiliate marketing, but maybe not how to do it successfully with automated content. And this is the problem. Automated content kind of feels soulless as it is. There's no face to the content. So a lot of faceless content creators struggle to sell any product or use any affiliate links because their viewers aren't connected with them as a creator. But all this means is that you just need to be smarter with your content and how you market your affiliate links. When I'm making faceless or automated content for a channel, the first thing I think about is purpose. Why am I making this video? Every single video I pump out has a purpose, and it's not just to get views. With each automated video you upload, you should be thinking about, what do you want your viewers to do? Do you want them to simply just follow your account? Do you want them to click an affiliate link so you can make money? Or are you trying to make money off of AdSense? Now, if your goal is for them to click an affiliate link, then your video should be a funnel to that affiliate link. So for example, let's say you are a TikTok page and you're automating Joe Rogan podcast content on your account. Now, the chances you make money off the TikTok creator fund with this account is very slim to none. However, with affiliate marketing, you could make a ton of money if you have a plan for every single video you upload. So let's say Joe Rogan is talking about some type of testosterone pill on his podcast. You should include an affiliate link in your TikTok bio to that testosterone pill on Amazon. Then what I'd recommend doing is going to your comment section and pinning a comment talking about the testosterone pill. And it doesn't even have to be your own comment promoting it. You can find someone that's already commented on the video that puts the testosterone pill in good light and pin that comment, and it will make the funnel feel a lot more organic. Instead of having the creator of the video saying, hey, go buy this testosterone pill, having basically a review in your TikTok comments directing people to the Amazon link is going to drive way more conversions. Now, what I would recommend is that every single video that you have that performs well, you change out the affiliate link so that it matches with your most popular video. You can also set up a website like Linktree, which allows you to link multiple links in a list so that you can have more than one affiliate link going at once in the case that your TikTok account is popping off with multiple videos. And that leads me into the third way you can make money with automated content online, and it's very similar to the method of affiliate marketing. However, this differs because you're going to be selling your own product, and by selling your own products, you're going to be making that much more money because you're no longer the middleman. You're selling the product that you're making, and you're taking all the profits from it. Now, there is a lot of things that go into making your own product, finding the right product to sell. Obviously, if you're in a niche of automated content for, let's say, TikTok compilations, it would make sense to maybe sell TikTok related products like a tripod or a ring lamp. And it's all about understanding your niche. Now, I could go on for about like 10 hours on how to sell the correct product for the correct automated content, but that's a whole another video, and I might make something like that in the future. But I do have plans for something else, and that will be in my Discord description down below. So if you want to join my Discord, I have some really exciting things coming within the future. Now, I will say, with selling your own product as a faceless / automated channel, it's going to be a lot harder to gain conversions as there is no face to your channel, and people are going to be a lot less likely to trust you because there's no face to the product. I know myself, I do a lot more research into a product recommended by a YouTube channel from a faceless creator compared to a creator that has been making content for a while, has their image online, because guess what? No one is going to promote a product with their face that is complete garbage because the backlash is going to come right back to them. Whereas a faceless creator, you could promote some garbage product that you made and not care because at the end of the day, you're faceless and there's really no repercussions. That's why when you make these products as a faceless creator, they actually have to be legitimate. They have to be of good quality. And when you're funneling your users to that product, you have to be 100% transparent, or else gaining the trust of the buyer is going to be near impossible. So that's going to conclude my video on how to make make money with automated content online. I really just scratched the surface of it within this video, and there's so much more to go over, so make sure you subscribe for more content coming soon that goes way more in depth on actually making money with your automated content. This video was just to give you that idea and some motivation to start uploading. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. See ya later.